Hello, in today's video I wanted to give a short introduction on our vision of Lego block building system. Okay, so first of all I wanted to start with the base block. It is what we call the base block. This is like 400 millimeters on 200 millimeters on 200 millimeters block. These dimensions are very close to a standard European block or a standard American block. There is only a slight difference. For us it is a bit simpler to operate using metric system compared with imperial system, which is a bit more difficult, as I already mentioned. For us. Okay, let's continue. So this is the standard block. You can see this standard block has several features, several distinctive features compared with other blocks from other manufacturers. The biggest distinctive feature for this block is lays in its Lego interlocking design. It has two big holes, rectangular holes, and what is important is that this interlocking, this shape of the block can be produced only using double action pressing machine. So it cannot be produced on standard American or European design vibration block making machines. It's a huge advantage for you. Because standard machines, standard vibration block making machines, have flat surface from the bottom. They have a different design, so they cannot produce these indents and this interlocking protrusion and indents, which are congruent when these blocks are assembled together. So this is the greatest advantage for our blocks. Another difference lays in another thing. Let me show it to you in just a moment. Okay. Okay. I hope you can see this. You can see that once again that you can polish outside surface and the inside surface. At least two surfaces can be polished. Okay, very good. I hope it is clear. So let me move a bit further. This block can be cut in half, just to save on molds. We decided to use only one basic shape, and this basic shape can be further processed either by cutting or some other way. For example, you can cut this block in half and get this kind of block. You can see, right? It's simple. It's half block, and just for your understanding, half blocks, there will be only a few half blocks. For example, when you will be making some finishing for door opening, you will need these half blocks, and for big for big building, there is a need only in I don't know, several percent of these half blocks from the total volume. It's difficult to calculate, but roughly it is as it is. You can see half block, right? And you can see also half block here, only a few blocks. There is no half blocks on this wall. at all. Okay. Returning back to this basic design, which we call base block. Okay, this base block can be converted into this U-shaped block just by cutting. We can supply you with this cutting machine. It can do this process very quickly. And let me explain why you need this U-shaped blocks. This is so-called lintel. Lintel is just a concrete slab which lays on top of window or door opening. It's like this, for example. This is lintel, 4 blocks together. This is also lintel. So lintels can be produced either on site or in most cases it is produced on site. And making these lintels is very simple. So you put together several blocks and install some steel reinforcement, steel rebar inside, and pour concrete. After hardening process, you have lintel like this. This surface is also flat, like no problem, and you can continue your block laying process without any interruption, and I hope it is clear. So this is lintel block, which is produced using these U-shaped blocks. Another application for lintel for U-shaped blocks is reinforcing belt on top of each story. When we finish, when we build some house, for example, or erect any type of building, so the final layer is normally produced in this way. So it consists of lintel, sorry, not lintel, but U-shaped blocks, and one special block. It is cut in a bit differently. It is corner block or corner U-shaped block. For example, for like rectangular or building, or you will need only 4 pieces like this. So there is no, it's not reasonable to install a separate mold and produce this type of blocks due to there is a need only in 4 blocks like this for complete building. Okay. So all in all, let me give you a short introduction on another type of the block. It can also use the same mold, but without a kernel, hollow making part, and with a flat upper punch-on, upper stamp. Okay, I hope it is clear how it looks, and where we install it. Okay, for example, when we are making a window opening, just to save on labor cost and make it good looking, I mean, when it is polished or somehow processed, these blocks look very nice, and I would say their appearance is like polished granite or polished marble, different colors in different combinations. So it gives a great potential for a designer to implement it. And let me emphasize your attention to the point that this this kind of block, due to its like superb finishing and like very like nice appearance, there is no need in plastering. You save huge money on plastering. This house looks nice without any additional labor and any additional outside finishing. I hope it is clear. And one more thing, in many cases, for example, like for schools, for hospitals, for penitentiary system, like I don't know, prisons, and even for, well, I don't know, hotels, and in many cases for apartment buildings, why not? Inside surface can be left as is, because we polish inside also. We can polish both outside and inside, and it also looks nice. Why do something, do some extra work? Because it simply looks very good. I believe it is a huge advantage, because just imagine on additional costs related to outside facade finishing and inside, in some cases, on inside decoration. I hope it is clear. Okay, let me switch to this. Let me go back to this cover block. This cover block can be also produced in two configurations, and can be cut into halves. There is no need in additional mold. Okay, so basically it is one mold. One mold. It's simple. It's very simple. One mold and several stone cutting machines. Very simple, very basic stone cutting machines with high output and low labor, low investments. I mean, relatively low investment. And I believe with huge advantages related to this concept. Let me move on further. Okay, okay. I've already gave you introduction as to how to conduct block laying process, I mean oral masonry work. Okay, you can see that in case you need some additional reinforcement, you can put some rebar inside and pour concrete. In case you need, it's for vertical reinforcement, so you will produce something like a pillar or column. This design can guarantee not like a very high load, so you can produce multi-story buildings very easily. Because this concept is just I would say that it's very similar to non-detachable formwork. You just put rebar, pour concrete, and that's it. Both for vertical, and in case you will need some additional reinforcement, horizontal reinforcement, you can put not only this belt on the top of the wall, but you can put several belts like this, using these U-shaped blocks. Okay, I believe this introduction is clear to you. Thank you very much for your time, and have a good day.